Now here we see another yard. I ain't really in crisis. It's just overdue for a little honesty. The shrubs aren't rebels. They've just grown comfortable, reached a little farther than they should have, collected a few seasons worth of secrets underneath, and that's just how it happens. Not in a dramatic way by any means, just time taking over. So today, we trim things back to where they make sense. We clear out what's been quietly piling up, and we freshen the beds, set in some new life, and lay down that clean, rich mulch like a firm handshake at the end of a job well done. Because most landscapes don't need saving. They just need someone willing to set them right. So let's get after it.
So here's what we got today. We're gonna rip out these viney shrubs and mess. There's really nothing left, it's all dead and the vines have taken over. Make this a new bed. And then same thing here, underneath this shrub, we're gonna kind of trim this up, pull all this out, clean this up. These shrubs we're gonna put a pretty good hacking on, get them back to curb, get them nice and even. They're gonna look like a little nasty mess for a bit, but sometimes things gotta look bad before they can look good. They already look bad, so they're gonna look worse. These azaleas are in pretty good shape. All we need to do is just really trim them up good, pull all this vinage out, consolidate that bed some more so it looks really nice. All this we're gonna pull out. Yeah, there's some good azaleas in there, but I mean, we're azalea'd out over here. So we're gonna take this out and put some knockout roses in here. Now, look at this. You come out, you pull, what do you see? Garbage. And it's not gonna look a ton better because we're not ripping out all these old shrubs. We're gonna put a good trim on them, get the vines out, get this stuff out right here, the liriope, the Mexican petunia, kind of clear it up, cut some of the straggler shilling stuff off right here. Hopefully nobody falls in the pool while they're doing it. And then, we're gonna come over here to Old Faithful. Old African iris, you can't beat it. It's fixing to bloom out pretty good, you see that? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these clumps off each end. The best, we're gonna take the best, space them out nice and neat in that pool area, clean it up, mulch it. So now that we know what we're doing, I gotta go take some garbage to the dump, pick up a few plants, some mulch, come back, and this baby's gonna be beautiful.
Hey Shane, you got your little clippers. Oh, this needs coming. Kind of in the way.
Kind of busy right now. Yeah, so you don't want to.
Like, what are you gonna do? Sit there and watch me do this backbreaker work?
I've been working.
You been working?
Taking my government-issued break.
Oh boy.
That was pretty good.
Baby, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Probably like that underneath there. All that. There's more of it.
Oh yeah.
Almost looks like ginger.
You should be happy to be at work.
I'd rather just watch the back of my eyelids.
Yeah. That is a pretty good show. It never gets old.
It comes on every night.
It never gets old.
Like this guy down here. Getting close, cameraman. See this guy?
Oh,
Yeah, we see that. Good one.
Oh my goodness. What is that right there? There's still something right there.
Ooh, look at that.
Yep. Bam.
Damn.
Dang, son. You did something. Cut.
The cameraman comes in for the action shot. Woo, I love it.
Oh yeah. Yep. Oh.
You always gotta be thinking, so you don't doubt me. I didn't doubt me.
Why would I doubt him?
Carried away, but I don't care. That definitely wasn't part of it, but by gosh, it needed done badly.
Yeah, there was a lot of junk up in there, that's for sure.
So we bring the baddest man on the planet, the bad boy, tomorrow. We put the mulching deck on it, we'll turn this to fodder here.
That's right.
Absolute fodder.
Well, I gotta go blow my nose. I got snot running down my face.
Oh, I'm fine. How do I look?
You look fine.
Do I look great?
I've been sneezing like crazy.
Have you? Don't fall in the pool, boy.
You want me to grab some of those, or?
Yeah, you want.
Making the cameraman do more work. That's fine. Can I grab two with one hand?
Not really.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I don't want to see what was happening over here.
This looks beautiful, doesn't it?
Not really, but
Shane, what do you think? He don't care. Nothing impresses him. You put some, from what was there.
Nothing impresses you, but does anything depress you?
Oh, I gotta walk
Everything.
away from this conversation.
Well now, that certainly tells a story. Same space, same bones, but suddenly it looks like it knows what it's doing. Funny how a little trimming, a clean bed, and some fresh mulch can change the whole attitude of a yard. Everything stands straighter, the plants make sense, and even the ground looks very proud of itself. Nothing flashy, just clean lines, clear purpose, and work done the way it ought to be done. Appreciate you sticking around and watching it come together. If you enjoy seeing a mess turn into something sharp, there's plenty more where this came from. Until next time, take care of the yard, and it'll take care of you.